Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to search anything you want using an image. So if you don't know how to put things in words and search for them, for example a picture or stuff like that, you can actually use a picture to search on Google. Alright, all you need to do is to open a browser of your choice. For me, I'm using Chrome browser. After that, you tap on this icon over here. It is called Google Lens. You tap on it, and after that, you're going to select anything of your choice, any picture that you want to search about. All right. So quickly, I'm going to select a picture of my choice, and you can see here it scans it, and you can select the text and you copy the text if you want to copy the text from the picture. But aside that, all you need to do, you can resize it like this. That means you can crop it like this, and as you can see, if you scroll down here, you're going to see everything about that particular image. As you can see, this is it over here. So there you go guys. If you want to search anything using an image, this is the method to follow. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.